Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add payment method on Talabat account. So first we're going to go to the Talabat app. Then once we're here, we're going to click on Talabat Pay. Then as you can see, we can add our payment method. So we're going to click on the plus sign. So you're going to insert your card number, its expiry date, as well as its CVV code. Then once you're done, you're going to click on Add Card. So as you can see, Talabat won't save your card information, so this is good for security reasons. So that's how you basically add the card. It's an easy process. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.